What's up, guys? Welcome to a new vlog. Ray here, excited to bring to you another video. As promised, guys, I'm gonna quickly show you around where I'm staying in this beautiful views. Oh my days! But I will show you all this, guys, in a bit. But you already know. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. I just woke up and I'm excited. It is beautiful, sunny, sitting on this beautiful balcony. Oh my days. Colorful everywhere. Amazing place. I am paying. Before I tell you how much I'm paying, let me just show you around. All right, guys, hit the like button. Let's go. So I thought I would start with this structure over here. So this structure over here, this is the bar. And how do you get there? You go from up here. So I'm that close to the mini or just a bar. As I pan this way, this is the lovely place where I was sitting. I love those colors, these two colors, amazing. And as I pan this way, you can see my views. There's like a road going across here, and there's a rail road going across there. And you got the Lake Victoria in the background over there, beautiful. People do fish here. There's even like a fishing boat back there doing some fishing, and up there here it's like a dock whereby ships land and they get some stuff and then put it on this train, and that is a border passing by on this road next to where I am staying. So we go back here, I got my things ready. This is where we stayed. Lovely. We got 2 beds, but we only need 1. You got an extra bed up here. Look at that, guys. Amazing. I love the details to this place. Really amazing. Look at that. Wow. The details here are just amazing. And then as I pan this way, you got like a sitting area where you got a mirror on the wall up there, sitting area, and probably eating area. You got like a lounge sofa or chair back here, and here you got the kitchen area. Earlier today I was trying this. This is the cacao fruit where all the chocolates are made from. Can you look at how amazing? Very sweet, delicious. I will totally recommend that one. And this is the kitchen area, very tiny. There is no cooking area. It's just like a washing area. And then a small fridge comes with this place, and you got that beautiful picture of a giraffe watching you. And then in here you got the loo, the bath room. And then as I pan this way again, it's just as simple as that. 1 bedroom with 2 beds, 1 big, I think, king size bed or queen bed, and a lovely small bed, probably if we have children with you. And then as I pan this way, you got like a dressing / wardrobe. And that's where my stuff, some of the stuffs are. And then this is just where the views get beautiful. I've been lounging on this sofa for the longest. The plants, the sounds here, guys, this is amazing. So, how much do I pay per night for this place? I'm here in February. In February, you will pay around 70 euros. That is cleaning fees included. I got it for 70. But if you are on a budget, I would totally suggest you to check on Airbnb. There is a few areas down there where near the source of the Nile, so left this way, or right I should say, right this way, and also left down there, whereby you can get places for even cheaper, half the price. But if you're looking for these views, totally I would recommend this place. Amazing, amazing place. Wow, look at that. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget, be kind to one another. Peace.